ایم پی اقرا خالد عامر شمسی کی برتھ ڈے پہ تشریف لائی ہیں.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. So basically, today is...
I have the mic.
I know. So it's 20 years of university promotions anniversary.
I have the mic.
At least today.
I have the mic.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Agreed. Point taken.
All right.
Okay.
So Amir is dressed in a very beautiful green. I love that we are honoring you today. And I have reasons for that. Over the past 7 years that I've known you, you have been not only a very, very strong ally for myself and for the cause of the Muslim community and for the Arab community, you've been a very, very dear friend. And I really appreciate every single time that you stood up and you showed to do the work that I've been tasked to do. So really, from the bottom of my heart, Amir, thank you. Happy birthday, and happy 20 years of university promotions.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
Very.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. And I'd like to say...
Oh, now he took the mic.
I have to, yes, that was like my start to the mind. But we are so proud of our member of Parliament, Khalid, younger sister, amazing, amazing person. The family, Miss Sara, people know how amazing family you have, Iqra. And you've been doing a great job, not just for your area, but I have seen and I've heard people will do the same, let's go to Iqra so she can help us out. That's an amazing, amazing name you have created in this community. We are very thankful. And thank you to my universal team. Everybody has made this effort. Sara did a great job. Sara, thank you so much. Everybody, all the guests who came, I'm really thankful. All the friends, sister, Baba Ji,
Thank you.
Zia, Ali, Bilal Bhai, Shahab Bhai, Sonia Ji, everybody, Sonia Ji, and Sonia Ji, Zia Malik, Shahab Bhai, or Zainab. They all put this effort together to make it happen. I'm so thankful that you